Today we are shooting the Dog Days of Summer episode here in my studio where it's actually autumn. I wrote the script in the summer. We are shooting an interior scene with the green screen behind me so I can key in the summer mountain as we rise up to the stars to tell the rest of the story. Now I'm using the green screen, so I previously built the scene I was looking for in the background, which was the sun setting. Then I had it make a transition to rising to the stars, which I will cue to the time that I look up. So I brought in me against the chroma key screen. Now here is my problem. Because the screen is round and I needed to cut off my shoulder, there is this little piece left over. If I crop it here, it will crop my shoulder off. So this is a very easy fix in the edit. What I do is make a copy of this over me. Okay, so now you can't see me, right? Because I have the background on top of me. Not a problem. I am now going to crop the top background and then the bottom of it so it hides that little piece. Now I didn't go over far enough, so now I need to take that over a little bit more. So you can see just this square of the background is now on the foreground. If you look at the layers here, this is the background, this is the second layer, this is the top layer. By consolidating this to only this square, it is exactly the same as the background, but it doesn't cover me in the middle layer, so it cuts that out without cutting the dog and me out. Ooh, it is hot out here. And we are ready to edit. This is where the background goes up. Now I need to sync that up to where I look up to the stars. So about right. We can look right there. Now it looks like my hat is cutting off. So I need to pull the crop up on that a little bit more. So up to the, there we go. Now this is where I start looking up. We can look. So I'm going to split that so I know where to begin going up with the background. Ignoring. Woo! It is hot out here. Right there. You can see now that's where it's going up, about here at 20. So we will move this. Yeah, right there is where I need to move this. Let's see if that lines up. We can, not yet. Background's going too soon. So let's pull that back. So I have this synced up now. So when I start looking up, it looks like the camera is going up to the stars. Summer. We can look to. But now in order to make that work, I need to look like the camera is leaving me. So I'm going to put a cut here and then animate this so it's going down. And I'm going to fix that little spot in a minute. Let's just see if this works. Summer. We can look to the stars for the history of this term. But it's going too slowly. So I'm going to cut it since that's where I am done talking. And let's speed this up a little bit more. So the end, about right there. Let's try that. Summer. We can look to the stars for the history of this term. There we go. Now in order to fix this, I just need to change the crop of this foreground here. The background foreground. That's I might be able to recrop this.
We can look to the stars for the history of this term.
There it is. Now we are ready to finalize this. It was then time to research pictures to match the voiceover, cite my sources, then wrap up with a conclusion. So the dog days of summer have nothing to do with actual dogs. The answers are written in the stars. So with the dog days of summer behind us, we can move on to the next episode. Thank you for joining me.